here's a little demo of Brightside by Lil Peep. It should sound something like this. So your pinky finger needs to go on the 6th fret on the A string. Then your middle finger needs to go on the 4th fret on the D string. And then your first finger, your index finger, needs to go on the 3rd fret on the G string. So then we have your first finger going on the 2nd fret on the E string. Then your ring finger going on the 4th fret on the A string. And your middle finger going on the 3rd fret on the D string. So we have... Then the 3rd chord is your middle finger on the 7th fret on the E string. And then you're barring the A and the D string on the 6th fret. So you're playing that together, which is... So the last chord is your pinky finger going on the 9th fret on the low E. And then we have your ring finger going on the A string on the 8th fret. And then your first finger going on the 6th fret on the D string. So altogether you should have So yeah, the strumming pattern is pretty self-explanatory, but you got to be palm muting, so resting your palm lightly on the strings and strumming like this. I do all down strokes, so it should sound like this. So then obviously the other bit that comes in is just plucking the strings individually that you're playing like this. So yeah, hopefully now you can play Brightside by Lil Peep.